Hello, hello, check. Yeah, so as you can see, the quality of the microphone is pretty good. I am talking at a place where there is little bit noise, some disturbing noises. But as you can see, the noise is almost cancelled. The sound quality is pretty good. It is providing a very nice, clear, crisp sound. So I recommend this product to everyone. I got this microphone during the Big Billion Days sale in Flipkart. I got it for rupees 749, but now maybe the price has increased. So you can wait for the sale or you can purchase it now. And the quality of the microphone is very good. This microphone is very appropriate for YouTubers and vloggers.